All right. So next problem we're going to look is number 10. I know this is a problem that a lot of people have an issue with, converting a rate to a different rate, and so I wanted to make sure we go over that. Number 10 says Kevin ran at a rate of kilometers per hour. Convert his speed to meters per minute. Okay. So usually on these types of problems, and I'm pretty sure on the test as well as it is on the review, you'll have to convert kilometers to like something like meters. It may not be kilometers or meters, but you'll have to convert the distance as well as the time. So if our distance here is kilometers, we have to go to kilometers to meters. Okay. Our time here is hours, and we're going to have to go to minutes. Okay. So the way I do it is I set up a grid here. Okay, so we have 13 kilometers per 1 hour. Okay, and I'm going to convert 1 unit at a time. So I'm going to convert the kilometers first to meters. Okay. Now we know that there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Okay, so this is our conversion factor. Okay, to go from kilometers to meters. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this conversion factor and multiply what we have times that conversion factor. Okay, but I want to make sure. Okay, I know I want to cancel kilometers, and so I know kilometers has to go on the bottom. Okay, so I'm trying to cancel kilometers, and I'm trying to get to meters. Okay, and then I'm just going to plug in the numbers that correspond. So 1,000 meters is the same thing as 1 kilometer. So right now I've only dealt with the kilometers. All right, so now I'm going to convert the hours to minutes. Well, we know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. Again, this is a conversion factor. So I'm going to use this, okay, and put it here. All right, but since I need to cancel my hours, and my hours on the bottom, I need to make sure I put my hours on the top here, and my minutes on the bottom. Okay, so again, I know 1 hour equals 60 minutes. And again, the reason I put my conversion factor is this way, is so that this cancels and this cancels. So right now my kilometers cancel and my hours cancel. And again, things cancel when they're on the opposite side. This kilometer was on the top, here it was on the bottom, so it canceled. Here the hour was on the bottom, here it was on the top, so it canceled. Okay? And then all you do is multiply the top through and multiply the bottom through. If I multiply the top, 13 times 1,000 gives me 13,000. Make sure I write that right. Meters. And if I multiply everything out on the bottom, 1 times 1 times 60 gives me 60 minutes. And if you actually divide that out, so 13,000 divided by 60 is approximately 217 meters per minute. Okay, so the main thing is making sure that what you're trying to convert to, or trying to convert from, cancels, and you're just left with what you're trying to convert to. So here we wanted to convert from kilometers to meters, so our kilometers canceled, we're left with the meters. Trying to convert from hour to minutes, here our hours canceled, and we're left with our minutes.